I was trying to get some info about the last train that just went by.
Why?
Because
Why did you want info about it?
so that way I could start uploading it as soon as the other video stopped uploading or finished. Now we get to see the rest of this one. I wonder if it's got any DPUs or any other cool cars. Oh, that would be really cool, right? Some intermodal. Nice and shiny Ferromex and CN auto racks.
Yeah, I see the CN
A little CP auto rack action, right?
By the way, why are auto wrecks 2 springs? If you know, comment down below, please.
Yeah. Some Kansas City Southern.
This train's already going really, really fast. Daddy, Burlington over to have a car.
Really?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, that's the end.
That's the end?
Wow.
When I was short.
It was.
Look, down has a light. See?
Yep.
No, flashing.
It's because it doesn't have a DPU. Here, come over here. There's a car coming. Or go over there.
Okay.
Bam.
Looks like that's the truck that was waiting
Yeah.
to go by. And it's probably like, finally the train went by.
Yep. There it
By the way,
goes.
make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
All right.
And look, coal from a coal train. It
Nice.
doesn't look much like coal, but I got one. Like this piece.
Cool.
And
All
there's
right.
this coal too. Comment down below.